So today, mirrors can be very costly for a farmer. Say for example, could be out in a country lane, sticking out branch, smacks the mirror takes the impact, and then cracked mirror, need the replacement. So the mirror guard basically does what it says in the name. It protects and guards the mirrors. So it helps prevent the expensive replacements. Not only do they protect the mirrors, they give it that aesthetic look. Nice shiny polished finish, really makes a tractor come together. To the S.167945s, as you'll find on our website at sparex.com, they fit some Class series, some Fendt series, the Vario, some John Deere R series, and obviously the Vulture T and Q and N series. To put the kit together, you get your box. The box contains the set. Take the top two brackets and attach it to, as we call it, the mirror guard arm. And then we would attach the mirror guard arm to the top and bottom of the mirror guard itself. And then once you've done that, you can then go to the tractor and fit the bracket on the back of the top mirror arm. It's very simple. It's all in the instruction manual. It's good images to show you how it all comes together. We have made sure that they're a high-grade 430 stainless steel to make sure they're protected from rust and corrosion, but also heavy duty, so when they take the impact, there's no bending or denting into the mirror guard itself, so they meet the farmer's needs. They cover the back of the black part of the back mirror, and all you can see then is that stainless steel shiny finish. A lot of the young farmers attend the young farmer tractor runs, so it's a way of showing off the tractors. My aim is to always put the farmer first, introduce new product that is going to benefit the farmer and make the farmer's life easier. I would like to see every farmer with mirror guards, not only obviously is for the practicality and to protect the farmer's pocket, but also to make sure that their tractor looks the best it can look, because at the end of the day they're spending a lot of time in that tractor throughout the week, 7 days a week, 24 hours. It's all about making sure that the farmers are the main priority, protect the mirrors and make their tractor look good.